This is a video to show you how to connect your camera to your DVR. Included in the CCTV kit, you have your camera, your DVR, power signal cable, and power for your camera, and also power for your DVR. To plug in the DVR, there's a DC input on the back, and within your DVR box you will get a power supply to power the DVR. So you just plug it into the back like so, and then plug it into the socket. Your DVR is then connected to your television via HDMI cable, and you just have to change the channel to HDMI on your TV, and then you'll be able to see your DVR menus. On the back of the DVR we have the inputs which correspond to each channel. So you have, this is a 4-channel DVR, so you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can put up to 4 cameras on this DVR. The power signal cable is what connects the camera to the DVR. The cable on the camera corresponds to the ends of the cable on the 20 meter. So you have the red for power, so you connect that into the input on the camera to give it power, and then the B and C connection, you just push it down, twist it and lock, and this is for your video. Then on the back of the DVR you have the 2 cables here, which are on the 20 meter cable, again power and signal. So you push the the yellow B and C connection into the back of one of the ports, so say channel 1, twist and lock. And then you have to power your camera, so your power supply will connect into the red power input. So now your camera is connected to your DVR and you should be able to see it.